The wheel tractor scraper. A wheel tractor scraper, commonly known as a turn-a-pull, is a type of earth-moving heavy equipment. It comes with a tub/hopper that can be used to load and carry a wide range of earth-moving applications and is usually used in mining, construction, agriculture, and other industries. There are 4 types of wheel tractor scrapers, such as single-engine wheeled scraper. The single-engine wheeled scraper machine is perhaps the most popular machine on construction sites across the United States. Dual-engine wheeled scrapers. Not only in the front-end vehicle but also in the trailer, this scraper machine has a powerful engine with increased power capacity. Earth-moving work with the scraper machine. Elevating scrapers. A self-loading material carrying system with the ability to mix and homogenize the material. Pull-type scrapers. The DSP is ideal for ditching, sloping, and terracing since it is designed to move, level, and grade large volumes of material, particularly those on an angle. To maintain the wheeled tractor scraper, here are the following tips. Use the right scraper. Getting the correct machine for the job is the best approach to cut maintenance expenses. This will also aid in increasing your productivity. Analyze the device. Before and after operating the scraper, the operator must inspect the machine. Use preventive maintenance. When it comes to tractor wheel scrapers, the ideal technique is to inspect the equipment before using it daily. Regular oil analysis and reporting can help you detect problems with your equipment. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit celiarconstructionequipment.com.